Hello everyone, this is IVU from OrangeTee. Earlier this year, I sold a ground floor HDB flat at Queenstown Commonwealth Estate. Today, I'm excited to show you another rare ground floor HDB flat here, which is suitable for singles or couples who love staying near to Orchard and City area. A brief history in Queenstown Estate since 2003. There are 15 sites of sales known as HDB Selective en bloc sales, which allowed flat owners rehoming options to select BTO flats in the same estate. The current in-progress sales was announced in June 2014 at Tanglin Hot Blocks, just opposite Commonwealth Crescent. There could be high chance, who knows, maybe the next potential sales cluster could be here. If you take public transport, MRT or bus, you can walk across the HDB blocks along Commonwealth Avenue. For drivers, you can drive along Holland Close to access here at the open space car park. Just a short walk, you will reach your landed home. It is rare to find ground floor HDB flat where the layout area boosts the feeling of living in a landed home. This exclusive HDB flat is larger than the regular size 3-room flat in this estate. The total floor area is 699 square feet. There are 3 bedrooms, a storeroom, kitchen and bathroom. This HDB flat has a unique layout because there's an additional storeroom located at one of the bedrooms, which you can convert into a walk-in wardrobe. The remaining space in the rectangular bedroom will be suitable to fit furnishing as a master bedroom. Currently, the kitchen and living hall is original layout. You can always create your very own master chef kitchen. Lots of area to explore. The other 2 bedrooms are squarish layout that allows you to create many options with plenty of built-in storage or design your own dream suites. The bathroom is neat and well maintained since the flat was upgraded in 1998. Just a few minutes walk, you can choose to go Holland Drive Market and Food Centre or Commonwealth Crescent Food Centre for your daily needs. Living in Holland Commonwealth would be a definite choice if you love local fares. Block 113 Commonwealth Crescent is walking distance to 3 MRT stations, namely Commonwealth MRT, Bonavista MRT and Holland Village MRT. From here, if you prefer to visit hip cafes and restaurants, here is just a few minutes drive to Holland Village, the Star Vista, Anchor Point and IKEA Alexandra. Wait no more, contact me now for exclusive viewing. This is IVU from AAG Division, OrangeTee and Thai, serving you since 1996.